Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Play at the Heart, and I'm back with a not too shabby haul. I love Jamie's shop. I buy quite a few things from her. She has a rewards program, and so I'm just excited to order from her. And I had left her a note because she does a free with 60, so if you spend $60, usually you get a free gift. But I had purchased 2 orders in that month, and so I'd already gotten that gift. So I put a little note in there that I had already gotten that gift, and so she sent me the log cabin gem stickers instead. So I'm excited to use those. But this is what I got. I love the honeybee release. I cannot afford that stamp set. But anyway, it's so cute. The honeybee, what stamp set I'm talking about is a gingerbread house. Or it's a house and then a gingerbread add-on. It's super, super cute. But anyway, I did buy these scalloped shingles. I liked that. That's a stencil. And then I also got this stencil, which is the salvaged brick. I got the Lucky Break. She had like a little, I guess, a bundle. So it's the Lucky Break by Penguin Palace and the Dies. It's so, so cute. Now, it's not an Asian thing, but, you know, it's kind of weird. Asians do love to gamble. Anyway, because that's kind of it has a little bit of that kawaii flair for me. And so anyway, everyone in my family does absolutely love to gamble, loves going to Vegas. So I thought this would make really cute birthday cards for members of my family this upcoming year. And it's called Lucky Break. I love it. So, so cute. And so instead of buying that gingerbread house die from Honeybee, I did buy this add-on from Sunny Studios because I think I have a house die or stamp somewhere that I can use, or I can just kind of make my own and use this stamp set to kind of give it a flair, a gingerbread flair. It's a sweet treat hat on. It also would be cute like on the front of a box. Anyway, I'm going to experiment with it when I have time, which who knows when that is. But anyway, that's my order from Not Too Shabby shop. And then I buy usually once a month or every other month. They have a special sale. They call it Farmer's Market on the Greeting Farm website, which I love the Greeting Farm. If you watch my channel, you know that I love CC Designs and I love the Greeting Farm. They're like the 2 places that I do buy a lot of stamps from them, and Lawn Fawn. Those are like my 3 go-tos. Well, I guess I'm Lawn I like a lot. But those are more sort of my style. Anyway, they had a really good deal, so I bought this stamp set, which is called It's Your Birthday. So I got that one. And then Miss Anya Crop forgot about this one. I also got from Not Too Shabby this stamp set, which is Oh Christmas Bee. Oops, it got separated from its friends. But this one, which is Miss Anya Crop, and these were all at a discount. And then this is a rubber 3 Anya stamp set, which you can't really see really well, but so I got that one. And then they had some mermaid beans. So I got this one. I got this one. This is an Anya, a little purse. And then here's another mermaid bean that I got, which I loved. And then from Molly Square. Okay, so those of you who have seen the last couple projects that I've made, I've been using my very, very favorite holiday dies, which are the big scripty words. And now they have a big scripty words that's in like regular words. I'm not holiday words. Congrats, happy birthday, thanks, and so on. And so I did get the stamp set because I figure maybe I'll use it. I don't know. I never do, but maybe I will. But I got the dies, and I'm so super excited because getting them together, I think, was a pretty good deal. And it comes with these little birds, which is cute. But anyway, yeah, so they have the big scripty words in regular everyday words. So I was super, super excited to get that because I know I'm going to use it. And then scrapbook.com had a deal. With any purchase, you got a set of distressed crayons from Ranger, from Tim Holtz, for free. So, which is, I think, a $15 value. Anyway, I wanted this, and they had it in stock, so I went ahead and got it. And this is the Lawn Fawn Starry Stamp chamois case. I don't use my chamois the way I should because it dries out, and it dries all stiff and giant, and it's hard to store. So I'm very excited to try this out and see how it, how it keeps my chamois looking and being able to use that more. So I did buy that so that not really just so I can get these, well, kind of. But anyway, that's my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy the Crane at the Heart.